You piece?
No, honey. Go ahead and you finish putting stuff on there. Hey, don't lick it off there. You can only have a tiny bit. Spread that all over.